Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. Today I'm going to show a very quick unboxing and a short review of this Mi micro USB braided cable. So let's start. In this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and tricks videos, and also some unboxing videos like this one, and some reviews which you might have seen in my previous videos. So overall a tech stuff kinda everything. So to be in touch with me and also travel along with me, you can subscribe the red button down below, the YouTube button. Also follow me up in my social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, so you can be connected with my daily updates. So let's start. Recently I purchased this Mi braided cable, USB, micro USB, not the Type-C cable, not that one. My father is using the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's a very outdated, approximately 2 years before, I think so. Yeah, for that I bought this cable. It costs approximately MRP. It comes 299 rupees in India, and I bought this one for just 200 rupees. Yeah, the market price is 200 rupees. So, okay, nothing much is there. So let's unbox and check. Yeah, here they are given a kind of, what is it? We can remove with have a hand itself. So it's very easy to peel it off, and yeah, this is just a small strip holds a very pack. Okay, let's throw this one away and open up. Yeah, inside there's a cable. Yeah, it's good. Let me grab it. Oh, the cable is kind of firm, kind of sturdy, everything. So let me check this one. Oh my god, there is nothing much inside that one. Yeah, there's no user manual, nothing a guide. Yeah, they don't give in some kind of cable, I think so. So don't waste your time, don't waste your time. So let's throw this boxes away. It says, I forgot to mention, it says strong and sturdy cable. Yeah, it one. And so it's 1 meter long. Yeah, let's check it one. And it says up to 2 ampere fast charging and a fast data transfer. Okay, let's throw this one away. So this is the cable which was inside that box. And this cable is kind of, yeah, it's really amazing and also sturdy, kind of firm in our hands. Yeah, I think they have pinned some cloth material or some threads along the side of the cable. Yeah, previously we have used rubber cables. It will be very, yeah, it's also gets teared easily. But this, I hope it will not tear it down. Let's check. Okay, here they gave a rubber band like that one for holding the cable. Not that aluminum something we will rotate and take this peel off. No, nothing to it. Just a simple rubber thing. So this is the cable. Yeah, I think it fits the screen. Yeah, I hope so. It fits the screen, because if it fits the screen, it is 1 meter long. If it goes away from the screen, it exceeds the 1 meter. So yeah, this cable is kind of amazing, and also it has a branding, branding on the tag like that one on the micro. Yeah, this is it. Okay, it's cool and amazing. That's it. Nothing much is there. So it's worth to get for 200 rupees. Also, one thing I want to make sure is that previously in this channel I uploaded a video, micro USB, same this one, but a different type, a normal rubber wire micro USB cable. But this one is a braided one. So I hope you have watched that video. If not, go to here and icon and watch the video. And in next video, I'm going to do a simple comparison video between the braided cable, yeah, this cable, and the normal rubber cable. So which one gets speed, which is more speed, how is the sturdiness, how lifetime it comes. So let me do a full length video if possible. Yeah, after 3 months, I think it will take some time. Yeah, I think because I have to check, I have to go analysis and research, so then only I can say the result. So within 3 months I will upload that video. So you should subscribe down here. I will not say you should. If you like this content, like my content, subscribe so you can be touched. Also watch the video in future. And also I have said I will upload a watch 3, this clone watch full review video, my experience. And I also uploaded a video, unboxing video of this watch 3. Yeah, this watch, it's a clone one. I have said that one. Yeah, I said I will upload a full review video, what's my experience on this one, by May 2nd week. But it's, I think, from 3rd week. What's the lag in that is that I'm still testing the watch. I'm using it for the past 1 week. I didn't use my watch. I just kept full charge and just kept it away. And I was testing the standby time, how many hours or how many time, how many days. It got complete dry. So I was testing my watches, so it might come within the end of this month or by the first week of June. So stay tuned, also watch this video. So I'm just promoting my 2 videos, so you can watch them in the future by subscribing down. Also follow me in my social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, qurrahtech, you can see here. So that's it about this this unboxing video. Is spot unboxing video, but I am talking other stuff in this video, so I apologize for you for wasting your time. So see you next video. Before that, is Rais Ahmed from qurrahtech signing off. See you next video. Bye bye.